Hi, Julie here with Just Plain Fun, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of 4 items that I got from New Craft Day. I will provide the links to these items in the description below, and you'll be able to take advantage of a 10% discount. The discount code is also in the description, and but the code is Julie10 with a capital J. And that way you'll get 10% off if you decide to order these, or I think anything from their website. So this is what it is, and I got it a few days ago. Didn't know what it was, so I kind of ripped it open, but I did not pull anything out of it. Once I realized who they were from, I wanted to do a true unboxing, but I did rip it open. Okay, so let's get to it. And let's see, got 4 items. An actual diamond painting, and this one is, I'll tell you what that is in a few minutes, and another, oh yeah, these are Christmas stickers. Package is open, but that's probably due to the fact that it went through the mail from China. And then this is a frame to put around a diamond painting, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with that in another video, because I have a diamond painting that I need to finish. Well, the diamond painting, I'm done diamond painting it. I just need to put it together, and this is going to be its frame, and I'm going to mount it on foam core board. Foam core. Get rid of this thing. I don't need it anymore. So that's what that is. It's a frame. And 90 inches long, I believe. So this should be big enough to go around my diamond painting that I made. And so there's that. It's made out of foam, and it's self-adhesive, and I will do the video on that, how that works in the future. Okay, so this is Hummingbirds. It's they call it a pendant, but it looks like a sun catcher to me, and it has hummingbirds on it. And maybe I'll do this one first, since it's still summer and I still see hummingbirds in my yard. And this one shouldn't take very long to do. In fact, it has some special drills in it, special shapes, like marquees I see. So let's take a look. And I'll do another video of the finished item when I'm done with it. So it's got the standard toolkit. It's got a hummingbird, and it looks like you diamond paint on both sides. Well, that's nice. I like that. I can't wait to work on that. It looks like both sides. That's really cool. That is pretty. I love hummingbirds. And I think it's a partial, because there's nothing that goes on the beak itself, and it's not sticky. Okay, so that's beautiful. And here's another one to match. Slightly different. So we got 2 hummingbirds. And then these are beads, and it looks like they're already strung. I'm not going to open it up until I actually do this project. But it's 2 pendants. These go down here and dangle underneath. And the beads also go up above. So that'll be fun to put together. Not sure where I'm going to hang them, which window in the house, because I have kitty cats, and they would love to play with that. And then I have a chain here with more beads attached. These are probably going on the top because there's rings up here. So we'll see more of that in a few minutes. And then I have the drills. And these are really, really sparkly. And they have their numbers on them. And they're different colors, but they're the same exact number. So that's probably the product number that matches. Oh, yes. 2005 GSKY. So yeah, that matches this. So that's the product number. And I would imagine, I'm going to go ahead and open this somehow. There it is. Hey, in case you haven't noticed, I have a bad thumbnail. It's kind of been like that for 10 years. If you have any suggestions on how to fix that nail so it's more like this one, let me know. I've tried all sorts of things and it just keeps breaking. But anyway, these are all natural and I just can't get that one to work. Okay, anyway, back to this. Look on the other side. Nope, they don't actually have the numbers on them. Oh, it looks like they have symbols on them. This one's got a little arrow. This one has a divide sign. So that's basically what you do is you match up the divide with the little bag here. So it's different from what I normally do. They don't have a number, they just have letters and symbols. Oh, this is so cool. I can't wait to work on this. So they've got, oh, those are pretty, the teardrops. Those are really pretty. That's must be A. Nope, that's V. And then they have T, which goes here. Yeah, that one there. So it looks like I've got plenty, because it looks like there's only 2 T's. One on this side and one on this side. But they gave me a whole bunch. So I have a storage space that I'm going to be using to store stuff like this, extras. And then I have these, which are H, so I've got a few of those. I have A, which seems to me I have 2 A's. And that's it. Oh, no, there's a few. Those are A as well. But they're 2 different sizes. Nope, that's a V. Those are A's. And then I have I. Those are so pretty. Faceted purple. And then black. That's number 8. It's a W. O. Or 0. And then these peridot colored ones. U. And then they have pretty orange color. Pretty red. Yellow. Clear, silver, and blue. So this is going to be fun. That shouldn't take me that long to do. All right. So I'll set that outside, and I'm not going to try putting it back in its package. I'll find a different bag to put that in. Okay, so then we have they call them applique with rhinestones, and it's a Christmas sticker set. And I was thinking I might order some wooden round ornaments, if they're the right size, to, you know, put these on because they're stickers, and use them on my Christmas tree. All right, let me just dump this out. Okay. Instructions in Chinese on the back. Standard toolkit. Can't have too many of those. I love them. Okay, then you have these little... Oh, these are cute. Wicked cute. Excuse me, I'm from New England. From Maine, actually. So we use wicked up here. These are cute. So cute. These are really cute. Wow. And then we've got the drills. Again, these are probably numbered. Oh, these actually have numbers on them. 1 through 9. And they're round drills. They're full drills. You know, full drills just for this section. And then I can probably adhere them to wooden ornaments, like round ones or square ones, and hang those on my tree. That'll be cool. So I will do a video on that after I get my wooden... this could be this way, or it could be this way, but I think this way. So cute. So I think I've got time before Christmas to do this video. There's a little bit of pink in there. Huh. Probably Santa's face. Yeah, number 9 right there. All right, so we'll do those later. These are not going to take long at all. Maybe what I'll do is I'll do this one on video to keep the video short. We'll see. Then I'll show you what I do with them. Okay, set that one aside. That's cute. I can't wait to do those. And then this is an actual diamond painting. So I will be doing a review on a Diamond Art Club and a a diamond painting I bought at Hobby Lobby too, because I'm going to be comparing them and all that stuff. But this one is New Craft Day. That's what's going on here. And get a pair of scissors. Got one. Try to do this without damaging anything inside. Okay, and now this one's folded, of course. I know that not all of them are. Now, I love daisies, so there's a clue. Okay. This is number QQ006. The size is 30 by 40 centimeters. That is the image itself. And it's very pretty. You can't really see it there, so here it comes. Go all the way up. I can't wait to work on this one. Oh, it's got more detail in it than I thought it was going to have for the size. I love daisies. Daisies are like my absolute favorite flower in the whole world. So, daisies in a purple watering can flower pot thing. Hey, that doesn't look too bad on camera. And then it has a little watering can here and a big one here. That looks pretty. And then these are, it's round drills. And they're numbered again. And this number here matches this number here. And then they're numbered 1 through 22. So I'm not going to bother opening up the drills. You've seen these before. But they look pretty good quality to me. Standard, you know, they look good. And again, I can't wait to work on this. I'm working on a big one right now that I got through wish.com. And I moved my diamond painting workstation to a different place in my house, or actually in my basement. And it's all completely set up, and maybe I'll do a video of how that's set up. But it is different, so I don't have all my diamond painting here anymore like I used to. But you got your standard toolkit and your round drills. Looks like plenty to do this one. I'm looking forward to it. Let me take a look at this. Very sticky. I do what everybody else does. I release this to see how it... Oh, yeah. That works. Flatten it out a little bit. Yeah, that's not going to work. Okay, there's that side. Looks really good. So I'm really looking forward to working on these. I'll probably do the hummingbirds first and get those done, but I won't be filming that today. I have other things I have to do that for my paper bead part of my business. But boy, this is nice. I'm really looking forward to working on this. Okay. Alright, so for now, I'm very happy with this. And again, you can use the code Julie10, Julie 10, at newcraftday.com to go ahead and order these or whatever else you want. And right now they're having a decent sale as of September 5th today. And so that's what day today is. I don't know how long the code is going to work. But this is it for today. I've got these 4 items from New Craft Day, and all the information is down in the description below. And I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, thank you and have a great day. And by the way, these arrived very quickly in the postal mail, under 2 weeks. I was pleasantly surprised how fast it took to get here from China. Look forward to the videos that are coming up on these each one, because I'll show you the finished items when I'm done with them. And this, well, I'm not sure when I'm going to get to that one, because it's in 4 pieces, my diamond painting, but it's big. It was one that I designed myself, printed out on sticker paper, and then put the sticker paper on watercolor paper, and then I'm going to mount it to foam core, and then I'm going to frame it with this. So that's going to be another video. All right, until next time, thank you for watching and have a great day. Goodbye.